How to transfer the money from one bank to another. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can transfer the money from one bank to another. There are some of the key steps how you could do it. Number first is linking your account. You can log in to the sending bank's website with the mobile application and look for the option to make your transfer. You have to select the external transfer option to move the funds to a different bank. You also need to have the receiving bank's routing number and your account number ready. After that, you also need to enter the receiving bank's routing number and your account number at the bank. The sending bank may verify your access to the receiving account by asking for the receiving bank's login credentials, making a small test deposit, and having you confirm the amounts. Now you can set up the transfer by selecting the sending and receiving accounts for the transfer, entering the transfer amount and the date, choosing whether it's a one-time or the recurring transfer, and reviewing and submitting the transfer request. The wire transfers are fastest but have fees, and the other thing that you can remember is the ACH transfers has lower but often free. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.